Hey guys, how you doing? Kirk here with the Kirk Hustle Revolution. What's going on? I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. Let me turn the AC down so there's no sound feed in the background. But listen, guys, here we go. I'm loaded up, completely loaded up. This is all from a private contract. All right. I keep telling everybody, I got the bed loaded up. As you guys know, I got a pickup truck. Bed is completely loaded. The back part of my truck is completely loaded. I probably got like about, I don't know, maybe 20 cases back here and one bin. Guys, listen, you know what? The work is out there. Whether you're going on with these companies that, offer work like Airspace, Curial, Lug, you have all these companies, but at the same time, I'm driving, so I'm not really looking at the camera. At the same time, I tell everybody, get out there and get your private contracts. Go within the local community. It's super important. There are so many people that just do not have the vehicle space to do like these little weekend moves and things that they have to do, And that's where people like you and me come in. So it's super important to get out there and really promote yourself and say, listen, I have the space. I offer these services. I can do small moves. I can move around furniture. I can do, some boxes and, small appliances, whatever it is. You have to offer your services. It's all about networking, especially within your community. I say that all the time. I always tell people, whenever they start something, start within the local circle. Start within the people that you know. Because it really drives, it drives business in, and it drives your niche, let's say, what you're doing out there. But you have to get out there and you have to do it. Let me close the windows because the fire trucks are coming out. And I got to pull over. Yeah, this is live feed, guys. The real deal. There they go. Hopefully it's not a serious fire. So yeah, it's a beautiful day, so I want to keep my windows open. I'm not really trying to have AC on full blast. But yeah, guys, so, there it is in the back, loaded up. This was a member from my community here where I live. I leave advertisement around all over the place in local businesses. I have business cards where I offer my services to move, boxes, any little small projects that they have. And, I've encountered a lot of people as well that, are buying homes and they have, small sedans and they need to do a run to Home Depot or Lowe's or some kind of construction supply company, and they don't have the means to pick up all the material, and that's where I jump in and I offer, my bed. I have a 6-foot bed on my pickup truck, and then I have a ton of space. I have a full cab, so I have a ton of space in the back as well. I can load it up, as you can see. So I really, I offer the space, I offer the time, and if I'm not getting anything from the companies that I work with or within my own courier service, this is what I do. And that's what it's about. It's about offering your services and putting yourself out there, all right? It is super important for you guys to do that, okay? The money is there. People are constantly looking to move things around, and they just don't have the right vehicle or don't know the right people to do it for them. Guys, we're here. We're in a time where every penny counts, okay? Every penny counts. Anything that we can make extra is super important. I'm kind of stopping over here right now to the side because I really want to talk to you guys. Every penny counts. Everything that we look to do to make some extra money in our lives, it counts, all right? We could say the economy is going one way and we could say that it's going another way. Only time will tell. All I know is that prices are going up. Our salaries are not going up. Everything is constantly going up. Here we go. So, hold on. Yeah, So, all right. So I'm in this area that, all good, man. I love it. I got told. But yeah, guys, you just got to get in there. You got to get in there. So I'm just going to, drop 3 companies, which one is Airspace. All right. They're nationwide. If you sign up, listen, if they don't get back to you, it's because they probably don't have any contracts. Okay. They probably don't have any contracts in your area, but stay on top of them. Curial is another one. Curial is another great company. Courial, Courial, Curial. All right, you want to check them out. GoShare is another one as well. GoShare. You want to try them. They do have a background check fee, which averages, I think, about $50 in most states. New York, for some reason, they're charging $150. But if you do get in with them, it's totally worth it. So listen, you're investing in yourself when it comes down to the background check. Make sure you go ahead and you get your certifications, get your bloodborne pathogen, get your HIPAA certification. You can get your TSA pre-check as well, which helps you get into high secure areas in the airports and everything. That's considered the TWIC. All right, get your TWIC. So it gets you into these, high security areas. If you're picking up luggage and stuff like that, or you got to drop off specimens because they're taking off on a flight, they got to get somewhere really fast, or you have to go to an airport and pick up, some kind of medical specimen or an organ or whatever it is, and, you have to transport it. The TWIC gets you into these high security areas. All right. So here it is, guys. Again, all right. I'm not going to make it a long one. Load it up. Heading off to the drop-off section. I'm about probably 7 minutes away, and I just wanted to jump on here and share this with you. Listen, I'm going to start talking about some remote work as well. A lot of people don't want to jump into the courier space, but I'm going to branch over into that area. I'm doing a lot of research. I'm talking to a lot of people that do this. They do a lot of remote work, and I really want to get the details on it because I know we have a lot of single moms, single dads, seniors. They just don't want to leave home, or they can't leave home, but they need to make a certain income. So guys, again, Kirk Hustle Revolution, appreciate you all. All right, have a blessed weekend. After this video is posted, it'll be after Labor Day. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll talk really soon. All right, ciao. Kirk Hustle Revolution. All the links are down below. All right, they're all down below. You want to jump on the courier service, I got a book down there. I have a list down there. There's all there. My email is down there if you want it. All right, kirkshustle@gmail.com. It's down there. But here we go, guys. All right, I have the whole bed loaded up. I have the back of the truck loaded up, and here we go. All right, ciao, peace. Appreciate you all. Bye.